Hey guys, before I put this packaging away, I just wanted to show it to you guys. I didn't buy anything from the Louis Vuitton Christmas collection, but I was there for the Murakami collection, and my CA knows that I love packaging, so she gave me the extras coming from the Christmas collection. I thought I'd show it to you guys before I put it away. So she gave me 2 of these bags. It's so beautiful. It's like a carousel. And then also within the box, so this actually came with a box, this collection, whereas the Murakami did not. So I thought that was a very nice touch. We have ribbons. She knows I love ribbons. And I collect these. So this year I also put some ribbons on my Christmas tree. So I might put this one as well in the coming Christmas. So she gave me this. Also came with 2 like gift tags. One is the zebra. I think it's really nice. And this bird. Okay. And some stickers. So yep. Just wanted to show you guys that I collect these things. That my CA is very kind to always provide me with any if they're still available. And then finally, I just wanted to show you this. One of my colleagues went to Bangkok, and then she knows that I love Louis Vuitton is my favorite brand, so she just gave this to me, and I thought it was really nice. So I'll just add it to this video. And it's multicolor. It's not from the multicolor collection, I don't believe, but it's these postcards. It has green. This one is a red. It might look like orange on the camera, but it's red. And then there's pink and blue. If we go to the back, it's very colorful. Yeah, these things make me so happy. So yeah, this is also a nice souvenir back from my colleague. And yeah, thanks for watching. So I've been posting a lot more shorts lately because I'm gonna be honest, I'm very lazy, and what I do is on IG I use their reel function to create a video, and that one is up to 1.5 minutes, and then like 90 seconds. And then for YouTube, 90-second videos cannot add music, so you would see a little bit of discrepancy between my IG reels versus YouTube shorts, just because they're from different companies, and so you need to do some sort of editing before posting to the other platform. Anyways, in short, I've been loving doing these videos, and some of them I do ASMR. Some I will speak like this depending on my mood. And I think I'm gonna do another video on all of the Murakami pieces that I've collected to date. So I have 7 pieces. There's one more that I really want, and that one is not available in Hong Kong, so I'm trying to get, see what other channels I have available to source it. And if I get that, then great. I mean, that's a piece that I want, but if I don't, then so be it. It's not meant to be, and I can maybe see if there's another piece that's coming in the phase 2, phase 3 with the cherry blossoms. I think I would love, as well as even maybe the cherries. I'll see if I can get a piece or 2 of the SLG, nothing big. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel but have been watching my videos lately, please do subscribe. It'll help the algorithm. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.